I have John Deere lx176 with a 14 horsepower Kawasaki engine with no spark. I have replaced the magneto, ignition module and flywheel that has a good magnet. I checked, and unhooked the grounding wire to the magneto and still no spark. I have a spark tester.
Hi, my name is Welcome to JustAnswer. When you replaced the coil, did you gap it? I use a business card and put it between the flywheel and the coil. The flywheel will pull the coil to it, then I tighten it up and remove the business card by turning the flywheel. If this motor has points, if they aren't gapped right, it can make it not have spark.
I gaped it with a business card. The motor has no points, it has a magneto coil.
This has the Kawasaki FC420V, correct?
Yes.
http://www.partstree.com/parts/?LC equals Kawasaki_engines and MN equals F.C. 420V ES15 plus 4 plus stroke plus engine plus F.C. 420V and DN equals 9991088080081.
Okay, sorry. That's correct, but if you unhook the magneto grounding wire, you bypass the switch and it should have spark, right?
I found a similar issue and it ended up being a bad control unit. http://www.lawnsite.com/showthread.php T equals 159237. There is a test sheet on that page. I have saved the file but can't send it to you.
I changed the control module, which I believe is the same thing on this engine.
Do you have access to a multimeter to test the resistance of the control box and coil?
Yes, I do, and they checked out okay.
Okay, they make two coils for these engines, a igniter and non-igniter coil. What is the full model of this motor, as in FC420V, as 19 etc. There is some numbers behind that 420V.
Code 420B is 10E/no FC420VA 92606.
Okay, does your kill wire go back to a gray or silver box? If so, your FC engine has the igniter.
The coil I bought was AM121820. It has an igniter that I replaced in M109209.
Check this out. http://www.lawnsite.com/showthread.php T equals 240224.
Thanks.
It says the correct coil is AM109209.
Yay. Got it.
There seems to be an issue with the igniter not staying grounded. I copied this part. If you have a test wire, it's worth a try. Well, the ground to the igniter was the problem on the ignition. I tested with a test clip and then ran an external ground wire from the mounting screw to the block. I would imagine this condition is the cause for some igniter failures and some erratic firing. This is the correct part number. M131398 is the correct ignition module. Okay, I think I found out what the problem is. The AM109209 cost Kawasaki number ###, replaced it with AM121820. It has Kawasaki number ###. M121820 is not the correct replacement. Here is a link to the correct replacement: http://warehouse.com/7201636.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.